Fifth grade Shurley method, page 6. This will be recording part 2. We're going to do exercise 3, 4, and 5. So for exercise 3, name the 6 parts of speech that you have studied so far. So what have we used to like classify sentences? So we've used a noun, a verb, an adjective, adverb. Well, those kind of go hand in hand. So preposition and a pronoun. Okay. So for vocabulary, A and B, write the letter choice with the definition, synonym, and antonym. So these things all go right here, right? Synonym, those letters will go here. An antonym, those letters will go here. So tranquil, what's the definition of tranquil? Free from turmoil, so letter B. So the rest will either be A, C, or D, okay? Because we'll do those for homework. So 8, 9, and 10 are for homework. Strenuous, what's the synonym for strenuous? Instantly, energetic, kindle, or unsafe? No. And if we're not sure what some of these meanings are, we can look them up in the dictionary, right? Okay, so what is strenuous? Energetic, letter F. So what would be the opposite of energetic? Weak, safe, slowly extinguished. Weak, so letter F. What part of speech is the word not? So if I were to classify a sentence, what would I classify not with? We did that up in the top. And what was not? An adverb. Name the understood subject pronoun. You. What is an imperative sentence? What is a declarative sentence? A statement. Interrogative sentence. Question. What punctuation mark does a possessive noun always have? What part of speech is a possessive noun classified? It's a possessive noun adjective. And what is the abbreviation used? ENA. List the 8 be verbs. Think about the jingle. Am, is, are. What else is it? Was, were, not will. Be, being, been. So the jingles will help you guys figure these out, right? What are the parts of a verb phrase? So what did we use up here today, or not today, but yesterday in our classification? Helping verb and the main verb, right? Okay. Name the 7 subject pronouns. Let's start here. You is one of them, but I, we, think of the jingle, guys. I, we, he, she, it, you, they. Name the seven possessive pronouns. So basically, I would be my, right? Our, we would be our, he would be his, she would be her, it would be it, you would be their, oh, sorry, it'd be your, and then they was there, right? Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 are for homework.